So sneezing, it's just coming in the nose. Feels a bit different. Doesn't have the sting. Feels more toxic. More, yeah. Anyhow, that's what's going on here. It's getting in my eyes. And, yeah. Every breath I take, got some sort of toxin in it. Crazy. It is now 9:24. It's like 20 minutes after I just made that other video. But yeah, already, you know, I guess she's missing her ability to touch my private parts and give them to other people. Would you like to speak and say something, crazy woman? Oh, there was a thump up there. I don't know if you could hear it. It was coming from over there.